Hi my beautiful sunflowers, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ishita with 2 E's. And now आज की video is something special in collaboration with Zivame. It's about their new sale that's starting from 28th May where they want to promote and encourage Indian women to try something new, something out of their comfort zone with Zivame. It could be anything like styling a bralette as a crop top or trying a new transparent bra or maybe wearing a sari shapewear instead of a petticoat with your saris. Anything. I really liked this whole idea about this campaign. So yeah. इसलिए मैंने भी काफ़ी कुछ डिफरेंट खरीदा है, not my usual laundry. So the sale is starting on 20th May, which is right now, and they have up to 50% off, free shipping, cash on delivery, and 15 days easy return and exchange as well. So yeah, definitely check them out. Also, you can save 10% extra with the code that I'm gonna keep on flashing on the screen so that you do not forget using that. So if there's anything related to lingerie that you might need, now is the right time to go buy it. And now let's start with the hauls. So the first thing that I bought from Zivame is a t-shirt bra because I absolutely love their t-shirt bra. You can check all of my Zivame hauls. There wouldn't be one haul जिसमें मैंने एक t-shirt bra ना खरीदी हो. They are my go-to. I always used to buy their basic black or nude one, but this time I bought one from their Tree of Life collection, which is this one. It's so cool. It has this really nice plant sort of a print going on. I really like the blue and the green and उसके ऊपर yellow flowers का print. It looked kind of nice and इसके नीचे एक stretchable band भी है. So it kind of feels more comfortable. It's wired, it's 3/4 coverage which avoids any kind of spillage issues. It has a medium padding तो काफ़ी अच्छा shape भी आता है under your t-shirts and any regular top or kurtis. Plus there is no issue of nipple show. So these are actually my go-to bras since forever, but this time I experimented with the pattern and I like it. It looks pretty cool, right? I liked the pattern so much that I actually bought a bralette from the same as well, which I really can't seem to find. पता नहीं क्यों. I think I'm wearing that one, yeah. So I'll try to include the footage of it. So this is Tree of Life, printed, double layered, non-wire, 3/4 coverage bralette. Now I never used to wear bralette just like that because I felt उससे उतनी coverage नहीं मिलेगी and it wouldn't give me the right kind of support. But this time I thought maybe I can try it because I feel like non-wired and non-padded bras would be really comfortable to just wear at home and sleep in. So that is why I bought this. I love the pattern of it. I think मैं इसको आराम से as a crop top भी style कर सकती हूँ. Buying a bralette to wear on its own is pretty experimental for me. I never go for anything non-wired or non-padded ever. So इसमें 2 layers हैं तो there wouldn't be that nipple show का issue. It covers the nipples अच्छे से and it gives you a good support. इसके नीचे एक पतली सी elastic है that doesn't hurt and adjustable straps भी है which are very comfortable on shoulders. I love the pattern already, but there are more patterns in this Tree of Life collection, so you can check it out. It's wire free, so it's super comfortable and I didn't see any spillage around the arms wala area. So the medium size was good for me. So the next bra is something I don't really opt for. I don't know why. I only buy very basic bras, but this time I went for something very sexy. Very, very sexy. It's Zivame's Moroccan lace double layered bra. It's so gorgeous. It's this very pretty light purple sa shade. It looks beautiful. I love the lace and the net ka mixed pattern going on. It's beautiful. They also have a band below the bust with lace. It looks so beautiful. I think if you have the confidence, you can actually wear it as a bralette as well, but I liked it. I wore it and I won't show you, but it fits me really nicely and it looks very nice. So yeah, I finally have a very sexy lingerie. And I have to say it's so damn comfortable. बहुत soft है इसका material. बहुत प्यारा सा net है. It's so delicate and it just feels really nice on my body. Next, I have my go-to sports bra from Zivame. It's their high-impact padded front open sports bra. So it opens from the front actually. Iske pads are not removable and that's what I love about it. I feel non-removable padding wala support is much better. पीछे से it is racer back and it's really nice. I've noticed कि sports bra में I go for 32 double D instead of just D. I think double D में मेरे breast को ज़्यादा coverage मिलता है. I tried skipping in it. It gave me the perfect support needed. I really like this bra. I'm gonna link it for you guys. I went for a black and white wala pattern because आई थिंक ये बेसिक्स आया और मेरी सारी लेगिंग्स के साथ चल जाएगा. एंड लेटली आई बिकम मोर कंफर्टेबल इन वर्किंग आउट इन जस्ट स्पोर्ट्स ब्रास. पहले मैं स्पोर्ट्स ब्रा के अंदर एक ब्रा पहनती थी, लेयर करती थी एंड उसके ऊपर एक टॉप भी पहनती थी. बट अब आई जस्ट वेयर अ स्पोर्ट्स ब्रा एंड अ लेगिंग एंड आई एम डन. एंड स्पोर्ट्स वेयर की बात हो ही रही है तो लेट्स मूव ahead to a legging. If you've seen my earlier hauls, मैं leggings हमेशा सिर्फ एक simple panel pattern वाले लेती थी. Maybe I would buy something colorful but never something very out there, like बहुत printed सा नहीं. But this time we went all out and bought a floral printed legging, and that's not it. It also has cutouts at the lower end. I think ये थोड़ा अजीब सा है बट या इट हैज़ कटआउट्स फ्रॉम योर नी. एक छोटे छोटे स्क्वायर कटआउट्स हैं. इट लुक्स सो क्यूट एंड इट्स वेरी कंफर्टेबल एज वेल. आई थिंक फॉर ट्रेनिंग पर्पसेस यू कैन ईजिली वेयर इट. आई ऑलरेडी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ simple black tops like workout training tops, so उनके साथ this would actually look pretty cute. I'm gonna be very honest, I was the least confident about this legging because इसका pattern itself it felt like कि मैं legging मतलब ऐसी floral legging पहन के कैसे workout करूँगी, बहुत weird लगेगा, but it looks nice. I like it. Next is a very cute cotton pajama set from their huge variety of nightwear that they offer. Now I bought the blue one with this really cute pink color ka kitty wala pattern all over it. It comes with a full length pajama and the top has collared neck with half sleeves and a pocket. It's very cute. And you must be thinking इसमें experimental क्या है? So the thing is, this is not for me. It's for my mom. मैंने बहुत रिक्वेस्ट की कि मम्मा पहन के दिखा दो, but she just doesn't want to come on the camera. And yes, I'm wearing the pajamas because they are so comfortable. I think she's gonna really like it. उन्होंने खुद ही सेलेक्ट किया, तो उन्होंने बैठ के देखा था, सारे पैटर्न्स देखे थे, and then she selected this. She found this to be the cutest, and yeah, it's really comfortable. It's so breathable. It's the right amount of thickness that makes it breathable in summers as well. Like अभी मैं AC fan सब ऑफ करके बैठी हूँ और मुझे बिल्कुल भी गर्मी नहीं लग रही है. And it is, trust me, really hot in Lucknow. So definitely go for these pajama sets. They actually have a lot of patterns in this, so yeah, you can select from them. And the last item that I have is from their shapewear section, but this time I didn't go for a typical shapewear because I already have it from Zivame. I also have a sari shapewear from them, which I absolutely love. If you've seen my sari haul na, सारी की सारी साड़ीज के साथ, that was a tongue twister. सारी की सारी साड़ीज के साथ I was wearing that exact same sari shapewear. And this time I got their tummy trimmer hipster high-rise panties, which look something like this. They are so cool. So this is how the panties look and they are so good. I wasn't sure, मुझे लगा था काफी uncomfortable हो सकता है, but it's actually pretty stretchable and it's not very high rise. On my body, it covers the love handle वाला part, तो थोड़ा वो smooth हो जाता है area, and that's what I like about this. It comes in a pack of 2. One is the pink one and this one is a slightly lavender सा shade. I really like this color. Lavender plus powder blue सा है ये. So yeah, that is all for this haul, and these are all the things that I got from their Try Something New with Zivame sale. Like my favorite has to be those colorful leggings, and I'm confused between the pattern bra जो मैंने दिखाई थी and this one. Like this is so pretty. I cannot wait to wear it. Do check out their sale. They have amazing offers up to 50% off along with free shipping, cash on delivery and 15 days of return and exchange policy. And मेरा code तो मैं flash करती ही रहूँगी. So yeah, that's all for this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.